Today, we are going to talk about what a galaxy is. You probably already know that. But do you know how many galaxies there are in the universe? Or what is inside of them? Let's find out. First, let's start with the basics. What is a galaxy? A galaxy is a huge collection of stars, planets, gas, dust, dark matter, and black holes, all held together by gravity. Galaxies are the building blocks of the universe. Each one can contain millions to trillions of stars and many planetary systems. So how many galaxies are there? Well, scientists estimate that there are more than 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. What types of galaxies are there? There are spiral galaxies, like our Milky Way, elliptical galaxies, and irregular galaxies. Now, let's talk about our galaxy, the Milky Way. Our galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy. It's our home in the universe and contains everything we know: Earth, the Sun, the planets, stars, and many mysteries. There are over 100 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy. Stars are of different sizes, colors, temperatures, and life cycles. Our Sun is just one of them. Around many stars, including our Sun, there are planets, some of which may have moons. Our solar system has 8 planets and many moons. Scientists believe that there are billions of planets in our galaxy, some of which could have life. Nebulae are also found in galaxies. Nebulae are giant clouds of gas and dust where new stars are born. Some famous nebulae include the Orion Nebula and the Eagle Nebula. In addition, galaxies contain star clusters. There are 2 types of star clusters. Open clusters are groups of young stars. Globular clusters are old, dense groups of stars. Some examples of these are the Pleiades and Omega Centauri. Almost all galaxies have spiral arms. These are like giant spinning disks. Our galaxy has several spiral arms. Our Sun is located in one of them, the Orion Arm, 26,000 light-years from the center of the galaxy. At the center of most galaxies, there is a supermassive black hole. The black hole in our galaxy is called Sagittarius A*, and it is 26,000 light-years away from Earth. Smaller black holes can also be found throughout galaxies. Most of a galaxy's mass is made up of dark matter. Although it is invisible, we know it exists because of its gravitational effects. Dark matter helps hold the galaxy together. Finally, galaxies are mostly empty space. This space between stars is called the interstellar medium. It is filled with gas, dust, and radiation. The interstellar medium is important for forming new stars. Our solar system is just one of many planetary systems in the galaxy. It contains the Sun, planets like Earth, comets, and asteroids. Galaxies also contain other cosmic phenomena, such as neutron stars, pulsars, white dwarfs, cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and radio waves. Gamma ray bursts have also been observed. So now you know what a galaxy is, how many there are, and what's inside of them. Thanks for watching.